Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? Just imagine that. These stunning birds, with their vibrant pink and red plumage, truly live up to their name. Flamingos get their color from the food they eat, like shrimp and algae, which are rich in carotenoids. Watching them move together in sync is mesmerizing. They often engage in synchronized dancing, which strengthens their social bonds. It's fascinating how these beautiful creatures embody elegance and playfulness at the same time. So next time you see a flamboyance of flamingos, remember, they're not just a pretty sight, they're a lively community celebrating their uniqueness.